Hi, Purple Spellers. This week we are learning about the ly suffix and the ful suffix. So full suffix and ly suffix. So the suffix ly means in a certain way. So if you put sadly, if you use the word sadly, and you take apart sad, the base word sad, okay, sad is you're sad about something, maybe you're crying, your heart's breaking, and then you add on the suffix ly, it means in a way that is sad, because the suffix ly or ly means in a certain way. So it's saying in a certain way that is sad. Okay, so let's keep going with ly. Remember, suffixes, when you suffix on the end of the base word, it changes the meaning of the word. So kindly, remember the suffix ly means in a certain way. So in a way that is kind. That's what kindly means, in a way that is kind. Slowly, in a way that is slow. That's what that word means. Weakly, in a way that is weak. Now, this type of weak isn't as in maybe if you're not using your muscles as much, you are weak. Now, the weekly, as in days of the week, that would be spelled like this, but that's not one of your words. Safely. So in a way that is safe. That's what that word means, safely. I safely crossed the street. Okay, so let's talk about the full suffix. FUL, or full, the suffix, stands for full of. Now notice the word full has two L's, but when you add on a suffix, you just use one L. So it means full of. So let's look at thankful. I am full of thanks. That's what that word means. I'm thankful for my family. Mouthful. Maybe you have a mouthful of popcorn in your mouth. Full of, your mouth is full. You're full of food, full of. Useful. So that means you're full of use. You are being useful if you're helping around the house. Hopeful. You're full of hope. Remember, just one L. You're full of hope. I'm hopeful that you will not be doing distance learning in the fall. I'm hopeful. I don't know if it's going to happen, but I'm hopeful. Painful. Maybe if you stub your toe, you might say that it was painful. So you're full of pain. Wishful. You're full of wishes. I'm wishful that you will come back to school. Wishful. And helpful. It's important to be helpful at home. Helpful. So these are your words for the week. This will be your last spelling check-in on Thursday. So make sure that you practice these words. You will not get new words next Friday.